another episode of JPTV. This is flipping PCs till I make $10,000, where I flip it for the biscuit, and today I'm going to flip it for the biscuit. Today I'm going to start with some simple unboxing because that's all I have right now. Haven't been selling many PCs. I don't know why it's so slow right now. We're going to get right. We're going to get into it, and we're going to keep doing it. So let's go. So since the intro of this video has been recorded, it's been maybe, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not even sure. All that time was spent not selling computers. I don't know what's going on, but within the last week, I have sold 3 computers. Well, honestly, in a span of like 2 days, I sold 3 computers. This computer currently behind me is one of the ones that I have sold. I'm just waiting for him to come pick it up. I already have the money and everything, but to be honest, I don't know why everything's been so slow. I guess maybe with the summer incoming it might pick up, but that's really why I haven't been doing much YouTube, because I just haven't been having any content to make. But that's not an excuse. I've been brainstorming and trying to figure out other niches, and yeah, I know at this point in the video this is nowhere near long enough to be a full video, so I don't know when this video is gonna actually drop, but I'm still building and selling PCs. I am currently actually in the process of ordering more parts to build more PCs. So besides this one, I have one that's just about built. I think I just need a motherboard and a processor, have the rest of the parts. But from there, we're just gonna wait and see how this thing plays out. I don't know when the next update will be, but I will have dates and everything on the screen, so you know how long it's been in between each segment. So that being said, I'll see you in the next segment, next portion, next day, week, month of this video. What's up? We're finally back. This is about a week later, and there's good news, there's bad news, and there's some in-between news. The good news is I have sold a couple PCs within the last couple days. I think I said that in my update from about a week ago. Bad news is the funds I had towards my 10K challenge are kind of depleted. This is my only source of income at the moment, so with it being so slow, it kind of slowed up and threw some things off. I'm gonna wait to share what the balance is to you guys until I can get back into a decent standing, but as of right now, we are still pushing Ps. We still pushing PCs. As of right now, I'm only sitting on one build. It's a Ryzen 5 3600 with the RX 580 and 16 gigs of RAM. Pretty entry-level build. I think the selling price is $500. Like I said, as of right now, it's super slow. I hope this thing picks up by episode 6, but since it's been so slow, I think I'm gonna call this episode here and just get this episode out so you guys know what's going on. But if you could do me a favor, sub up, like this video, get me to 1K so I can get this show on the road even more. And until then, your boy out.